Hello, this is Sir Joey. Pag-usapan naman natin ang relations, functions, and binary operations. Relation is a set of ordered pairs. Ito yung mga ordered pairs natin. Set of ordered pairs. The set of the first component of the ordered pairs is called the domain. Ito yung mga first component. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. Tawag dyan ay domain of the relation. The set of the second components are called the range of the relation. Ito yung pangalawa, negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2. Ang tawag dyan ay range of the relation. Functions. Function is a relation for which each value from the set of the first component of the ordered pairs is associated with exactly one value from the set of second components of the ordered pairs. Kapag meron tayong isang first component na negative 2, kailangan ang kanyang image ay isa lang. Negative 2, ang kanyang image ay or range ay negative 4. Wala nang iba. Bibigyan tayo ng example ng function. Yan. Tingnan natin yung ordered pairs. Sa number 1, negative 1, ang kanyang range ay 1. Negative 2, ang kanyang range ay 2. So, yung sa first component, isa lang yung kanyang range, isa lang yung image niya. Hindi katulad ng number 5 example. Tingnan natin yung first component na 2. Yung 2, ang kanyang image or range ay negative 4. And then, meron pang ulit 2. Yung isa ay 4. So, dalawa ang kanyang image or range, magkaiba. So, hindi siya function. Ulitin natin yung definition of a function. Function is a relation for which each value from the set of first component of the ordered pairs is associated with exactly one value from the set of second components of the ordered pairs. Ayan, yung mga example natin. So, ito din. So, kung ilalagay natin sa mapping, A is to 1, correspondence, B is to 2, tingnan natin yung C. Yung C, ang kanyang range ay 2, ipalapitan natin. Yan. At saka 3. So, dalawa. Ito ay hindi siya function. Yung A corresponds to 3, yung C corresponds to 3. So, function siya. Kasi, yung image ni A, isa lang. Yung B, isa lang din. Yung C, isa lang din. Kapag nirelate natin sa ibang example para maintindihan natin, sa isang pagkakataon, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa Baguio at saka pumunta sa Cebu at the same time. Samantalang dito, yung dalawang tao pwedeng pumunta sa isang lugar at the same time. So, one to many correspondence is not a function. Pero yung many to one, consider pa rin na function. Okay, number 8. Hindi siya function dahil kapag tinignan natin, for example, itong point na to, ang kanyang x value ay 4. Pag nilagay natin dito yung yung point, positive 4, ito naman ay negative 4. Kaya pag tinignan natin, hindi siya function. Ang tawag diyan ay vertical line test. I-drop mo lang yung line, vertical line. Kapag isa ang matouch, isang line lang, isang point lang, function. Kapag dalawa, ay hindi siya function. Ito yung halimbawa. Number 9. Vertical line test, i-drop natin yung line. So, meron tayong point of intersection. Isa lang, so function siya. Number 10. Drop a line here. Meron tayong dalawang point of intersection, so hindi siya function. Ganun din dito, 11, 12, and 13. Functions sila dahil pag nag-drop tayo ng line, one point of intersection lang. Okay? All functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Ulitin natin, function is a relation that assigns to each input value exactly one output value. Dito naman tayo sa operations on function. Ang operation on function, let function of x, f of x and g of x be two functions. So pagka pinag-add natin f plus g of x, ito yung notation natin. Just add the two functions. Ganun din sa subtraction, multiplication, and division. Magbibigay tayo ng example. Let f of x equals x plus 4. Yun namang g of x, function g ay x minus 1, and function h of x is x squared minus 2x plus 1. So first is adding f and g. So f plus g of x, solution. Just add, substitute the value of f of x. Itong notation natin, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Just substitute the value of f of x, which is x plus 4, plus the value of g of x is x minus 1. So add. So removing the parentheses, x plus x, 2x, and 4 plus negative 1, that is 3. The same thing with subtraction of functions. The same given, f minus g of x. So notation, f of x minus g of x. Substitute the value of f of x minus the value of g of x, which is x minus 1. So first thing to do is to remove the parentheses, because negative times positive is negative. So na-remove yung parentheses, naging negative x. Negative times negative, that is positive, so it will become positive 1. So combining like terms, x plus negative x, combining these two, the result is 0, because adding additive inverse of any variable or number will give you 0. 1 plus negative 1, 0. 5 plus negative 5, 0. Ganun ang nangyari dito. So 4 plus 1, 5. Dito tayo sa multiplication of functions. The same given, f times g of x is equal to f of x times, itong dot ay tumutukoy sa multiplication symbol. So substitute natin x plus 4 times x minus 1. So using FOIL method, first term times first term, x squared. Outer terms, x times negative 1, negative x. Outer terms, inner term rather, 4 times x is 4x. Then last term, that is, the process is FOIL method. First terms, x times x, x squared. Outer, x times negative 1, negative x. Inner, 4 times x, 4x. Last terms, L, 4 times negative 1, negative 4. So next is combining like terms, negative x plus 4x will give you 3x. So the final answer is x squared minus plus 3x minus 4. Division of functions, h divided by g of x. So notation natin, h of x divided by g of x. Substitute the value of h of x, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1, divided by x minus 1. So tingnan mabuti kung pwedeng i-factor yung trinomial na yan. So in grade 8 and grade 9 mathematics, tinuruan tayo sa factoring. So ito, factorable siya dahil ang factors ng 1, pag in-add natin, magiging negative 2. Ang factors ay negative 1 times negative 1. Multiplying same sign will give you a positive. So negative 1 plus negative 1, negative 2. So ang ating factor ay x minus 1 times x minus 1. Review the factoring method over x minus 1. So kapag kaganyan, sa fraction, meron tayong makakancel. X minus 1 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, makakancel yung x minus 1. So magiging sagot natin ay x minus 1. Composition of functions. Composition of function is an operation where two functions g and f generate a new function, say h, in such a way that the new function is h of x. Ito yung notation. So itong symbol na to, circle, it is denoted as f circle g of x. Ito ang composition of functions. Where circle is where this symbol is a small circle, we cannot replace circle with a dot. Kasi pagka nilagay natin ng dot, ito ay product na, ginagamit sa multiplication. Kaya ang ginagamit natin sa sa composition of function ay circle. Ito yung mga example natin. Kapag may nakita kayong ganitong notation, f of g of x, yun ang basa nun. F of g of x. In the composition of f circle g of x, the domain of the function f becomes g of x. The domain is the set of all values which go into the function. Example, ito yung f of x to x minus 1. Ang g of x ay x minus 3. Ito daw, pagka ang hinahanap ay composition of f and g, pag nauna yung f, yung kasunod na function, yun ang magiging domain. Ibig sabihin, ito ang ilalagay natin doon sa x, value ni x. So, itong symbol na to, f circle g of x, ang magiging notation natin sa solution ay equals f of g of x. So, tingnan natin muna yung, yung f of x, 2x minus 1. Ipapasok natin yung x minus 3 doon sa x doon. So, kopyahin natin yung 2. Instead na x ang ilalagay, kukunin natin yung laman ni g of x na x minus 3. So, 2 times x minus 3, tuloy natin sa value ni f of x, minus 1. So, saka natin i-simplify. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Kopyahin yung minus na 1. Simplifying negative 1 minus negative 6 minus 1 will give you negative 7. So, 2x minus 7 ang sagot. Example number 2. F of x, x squared minus 1. And g of x is x minus 1. Composition of two function f and g. Ito yung notation. Ang sagot ay f of g of x. So, ilagay natin yung g of x ito doon sa x. So, function ang g of x doon sa function ni f. Ito yung magiging domain. Yun, input natin, input. So, instead of x squared na ilalagay, i-input na natin yung x minus 1. So, x minus 1, pero merong square doon. Medyo maliit. Ayan. X squared minus 1. So, instead na x doon, x minus 1 yung ilalagay natin. Kasi, in-input natin yung g of x doon sa x, doon sa f. So, ito ay x minus 1. Kopyahin lang yung exponent. Kopyahin minus 1. So, simplifying x minus 1 squared, expanding binomials, o pwedeng gamitin FOIL method, x times x, x squared. So, alam natin yung yung shortcut diyan. Pagka ganyan, square natin yung square natin yung first terms and last term. Ayan. So, pag in-square natin yung first term, x squared, square natin yung last term, 1. Yung second, using FOIL method kasi, x minus 1, x minus 1. So, negative x plus negative x, inner at saka outer. Negative 1 times x, negative x, x times negative 1, negative x pa rin. So, dalawang negative x. So, negative 2x. Yan. Then, copy negative 1. So, simplifying, 1 minus 1, 0. So, x squared minus 2x ang final answer. Binary operation. Binary operation is a simple rule for combining two values to create a new value. The most widely known binary operations are those learned in elementary school: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of various sets of number. Binary operation on a set in a calculation involving two sets of the set to produce another element of the set. Definition, mas maganda pag pinapakita na natin agad. So, to symbol na ito ay phi. Define phi, Greek letter, phi. Define phi as a, the symbol, phi b, equals 3a plus b, where a and b are real numbers. What is 3? Tapos the symbol, 3, phi 8. So, just copy this, 3a plus b. Instead of writing a, 3 na yon. Yung b, 8 na yon. So, copy this rule. A, phi b, is equal to 3 times A plus B. So, instead of A, lagyan na natin yung value ni A na 3. So, 3 times, the value of A is 3. 3 times 3 plus, ang B natin ay 8. Katumbas na number ay 8 sa B. So, plus 8. Multiplying, 3 times 3, 9, plus 8, 17. Second example. Define asterisk as asterisk A asterisk B is equal to A plus B plus AB. Ito naman yung gagamitin nating rule. Compute 8 asterisk negative 4. Yung unang number, yun ang A natin. Yung pangalawa, yun ang B natin. Ang B natin ay negative 4. Substitute lang natin. So, compute 8 asterisk negative 4 equals, gagayahin natin yung pattern dito. A, so 8, plus, yung B natin ay negative 4, plus negative 4, plus the product of A and B. The product of this, 8 and negative 4. So, simplifying, 8 plus negative 4 is 4. And 8 times negative 4, negative 32. Combining this unlike sign integers, subtract their absolute value, then take the sign of the number having greater absolute value. So, ito ay negative 28.